how to turn on or off the touchscreen on our Chromebook. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable or enable the touchscreen on your Chromebook. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. And it's also important to note that in order for you to enable the touchscreen on your Chromebook, it needs to be first equipped with a touchscreen. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is open up the Chrome browser because there is no setting to disable or enable the touchscreen within the Chromebook settings, but we can do this within the Chrome browser settings. So open up the Chrome browser, and in the search bar at the top, type Chrome://flags. Check the description, I'll have it down there for you, so you can easily copy and paste that. Then in the search flags at the top, just search keyboard. You should see debugging keyboard shortcuts. Go ahead and enable that, and this will allow us to do a keyboard combination that will disable or enable the touchscreen on our Chromebook. So once you select enable, in order to save that, we need to select restart. So select restart. It'll reboot your Chromebook. Once you reboot your Chromebook, we need to do a keyboard combination to enable or disable the touchscreen, and that's going to be the search button. So that looks like this. It has a little search icon on it. Then the shift key, and then T at the same time. So press that down at the same time, and you should see on your screen a notification letting you know that the touchscreen was either enabled or disabled. So every time that you hold that keyboard combination down, it will toggle through. And as long as that setting is enabled, this keyboard combination will work. So that's how you disable or enable the touchscreen on your Chromebook. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.